In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and efficiently use the Wix website editor. Whether you're new to Wix or you're looking to refine your skills, this guide will walk you through the essential steps to maximize your editing abilities. First, open your web browser and go to the Wix website editor. This platform is intuitive and user-friendly, designed to help you build your website with ease. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. On the left-hand side, you'll see a variety of tools and options available for editing. The next step is to click on Desktop to ensure you're working in the traditional website view. This is important as it gives you a comprehensive view of your website design and how it will appear to visitors on a desktop computer. Once you've accessed the desktop view, the next move is to click on Full Layout. This option utilizes the full width of your screen, providing a larger canvas for editing and a better view of your progress. This can be especially helpful when working with detailed website elements that need more space to adjust. Next, go ahead and click on Layout. This choice opens up various layout options that you can apply to your design. Here, take a moment to explore the different ways content can be structured and displayed on your website. It's important to consider the user experience, ensuring that your layout is not only visually appealing, but also functional. After you've selected a layout, you have the option to center your content. Click on Center to align elements symmetrically within the page. This is a great way to maintain balance and symmetry in your design, creating an aesthetically pleasing look. Alternatively, you can experiment with different alignments to see how they affect the overall appearance of your site. Now, if you decide to make further adjustments or add new elements to your layout, you simply click on what you'd like to change. This could be text boxes, images, or any other elements on the page. Once selected, click Layout again to modify its structure or Add column to divide your content and organize it more effectively. With your primary layout set, you can move on to Content to input your unique information and visuals. This is the core of your site, where you can express your brand's voice and story. As you work, don't forget to click on Preview to see how your changes will appear to your audience. This is a crucial step to ensure everything looks as you intend before going live. Finally, once satisfied with the edits and layout, click Back to Editor to continue refining any remaining details. By following these steps, you will have successfully navigated the Wix website editor, creating a robust and personalized website that resonates with your audience. Keep experimenting and learning as you build, and your skills will continue to evolve over time.